Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful skill: how to send a calendar invite in Outlook for 2025. Whether you're organizing team meetings, client calls, or family events, this feature in Microsoft Outlook makes it easy to keep everyone on the same page. Let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. First things first, open your Outlook application. If you're on the desktop version, launch it from your computer. For mobile users, open the Outlook app on your phone, or if you prefer the web, head to outlook.com and sign in. Once you're logged in, look for the calendar icon. It's usually at the bottom left of the screen, and click on it to switch to calendar view. Now that you're in the calendar, click on the New Event or New Appointment button. This will open a new window where you can start building your invite. Begin by entering the event details. Give it a clear title, set the start and end times, and add the location if it's relevant. Don't forget to select the right time zone to avoid any mix-ups, especially if your attendees are in different parts of the world. Next, it's time to invite people. In the event window, find the Add Attendees or Invite Attendees field. It's often right below the basic info. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Outlook is smart. It might suggest contacts from your address book as you type. You can also add a quick message in the body of the invite to give more context, like agenda points or preparation notes. Once everything looks good, hit the Send button at the top. Your invite will be emailed out, and it'll appear on the recipient's calendars if they use Outlook or a compatible app. To wrap things up, keep an eye on your calendar for responses. People can accept, decline, or propose new times directly. A quick tip: always double-check dates and times before sending, and if you're dealing with international teams, use the Time Zones feature to make it crystal clear. That's all for today. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.